Today we'll go to assignment questions. Okay, we'll see to the assignment question. And now I will in the okay now. Just see to it. I'll just send the WhatsApp. I'll send the notes, arithmetic, and then I'll go to the questions assignment. Okay. Okay. You got the notes right, everyone? Yes. Yes, right. You got first module note, second module note, and notes, and fourth module note, isn't it? No. We have given the okay. Let me go with the assignment problems first. Let us see. Okay. So then I will come back to anything which any which question we have missed that we will discuss. Okay. So let us take the assignment questions. You got assignment question also, right? I think yesterday we have sent you assignment questions, isn't it? Okay, and notes also we have sent now. Let us go to the assignment questions. First of all, I think we have sent assignment questions. Okay. Okay, let me screen share it. Yeah. After we have done with some weave, I just want to weave what we have done, what we are not done. Okay, like that. I'll just weave. I'll give you one small hint regarding our assignment question. Later, I will do one carry save addition. Right. So we have about to do. See you. Yeah, it's visible, right? So everyone is visible. Okay, hope everyone is visible. If you have any problem, you are not able to see anything, you can just uh, give me a reply that, ma'am, we are not able to see like that. Okay. So this is 30 question. That means continuation. Continuation. We are giving what is DMA? So DMA is nothing but direct memory access, right? So, and what are its advantages? And the supporting diagram explain the different registers in a DMA interface. Okay, you have to explain all the registers in the DMA. So, direct memory access you have to explain. So that will take you for 5 marks question. Okay. So then exception. What is exception? And two kinds of exception. You have to explain that. So just you have to define it. What is an exception and what? Okay. So that carries 2 marks. And cycle stealing and burst time. What is cycle stealing and burst time? So that's also there in the notes. So see, I will not plan to show the answers in the book and all. I'm not planned for that. Just I want to complete all my questions. Later I will I'll take you to the page number and all. Okay. So I just want to tell you which questions I've completed and which questions I'm supposed to complete. Okay. So that's all. Hope you are clear, right? What I'm saying. So I just want to tell you what and all we have covered it. We have already completed the portion and what questions I'm supposed to do. Okay. See, the today the date is 26th and you have internals by 8th, right? 8th you have the internals. By tomorrow, was Friday, right? Friday I have first class. Okay, so first class, tomorrow first class I will take and I'll complete the portion. Which question is remain? So I'll take all the questions and I'll complete the portion. Okay, nothing to worry. Uh, if not by tomorrow, by Saturday, anyway, I'll complete it. Okay, so nothing to worry. So I think this question I've already completed. So notes is already provided to you. So just go through the notes. You will get all the answers. Okay, all questions you're getting. Ma'am, how much can we finish? How much? Yeah, you have to finish as early as possible. Okay. Okay, write a note on any bus arbitration scheme. Okay, so bus arbitration scheme you have to take, and different bus arbitration technique also you have to explain. Okay, this also we have completed arbitration. I think it's offline. So in the circular they have provided it's an offline test. As per my knowledge, second internals will be offline. Okay, that no, they have given the circular like that. Okay, see what circular they have provided. Um, and if you go through the problem, these questions also, you can make it out. Tomorrow, see you take the questions and solve which questions have already completed. Okay, now then which question is not completed, you just leave it. By tomorrow, I will tell you the page number and answers and all. I'll explain you also. Okay, don't worry. And the remaining thing in online that I don't know, but with my circular, whatever I have seen, it was offline. Do you get the circular? Not received. Ah, let us see. Then wait. I don't know, but we got one circular in that offline was written. Okay, let it be. I don't see. Till you get the circular, you can uh, don't think in any way. But my circular about whichever I have seen, it was offline. I felt okay. Whatever it is, by tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay. If you're not received any circular anyway, by tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, then start writing assignments. See, here we have memory access time. Memory, see, this is full memory module which I have not at all done. These two questions, AB questions I have not done for you. Okay, so I'll highlight it as a red color. And this one also we have not done. 16, 17, we have not done. Okay, so 16, 17, only three questions we have not done. 16, 17. So this will be a very simple topic we will complete. And this one, 18th, is already completed. Carry look ahead adder and asynchronous bus and all we have already completed. Okay, so and even we have completed this interrupt and all we have already completed. 19th question is also already completed. 19th is completed. 20th is completed. See, carry save addition. One concept is that which I've already explained in the previous class, but even today I'll revise it. Okay. So 20 and even here division. See, binary division is there. Restoring division method. See here method it is. Okay. This is Booth algorithm. You have to apply the Booth algorithm and solve the problems. Okay. So this is 21. I think this one already completed. Then 22. 22, see, addition and subtraction, right? So 5-bit assigned 2's complement binary numbers and add them. Also find the overflow. So wherever overflow occurs, you have to give that wherever overflow occurs. I told you Whenever you have same sign, see different sign you have means no overflow. If you have same sign, then there will be an 100% overflow exist. Okay, I think -10 and -13 will 100% leads you to overflow. Okay, now so I hope you have understood. And even -3 and plus -8, so again here also overflow, here also overflow. Okay, so whenever you have two operands have same sign but result will be different sign, then overflow will occur. Okay, so very simple question, that is 22. So you have problems, more problems are there. And here it is carry save addition multiplication with the diagram you have to explain. Okay, this is about 23, and this is addition and subtraction of n bit numbers. Okay, so this is about our 23 question, 23rd question. Okay, anyway, I'll revise it also, nothing to worry. And this is division, non-restoring division. You have to apply for this two problems. Okay, so dividend and divisor both will be provided. That is 24th. And even you have to multiply using Booth algorithm. Okay, using the Booth algorithm. Uh, Here also same problem is there, but here just to see it, this is here number of using Booth algorithm. Okay, so it's very simple now. Very simple. If possible, we will change it to Booth algorithm, or we'll change it to bit pair recoding. Okay, otherwise you keep it as it is, Booth algorithm only. So very simple questions, so you are able to do, I think. See how many problems are there, full of problems only these questions are full, no theory questions, these are all. So it is a memory module, so I will complete it by tomorrow. Okay, so this will take very less time to complete, then we'll complete it. Any doubts you have right now? Any other doubts? Anything you want to discuss? So you keep your answers and all. Take the problems and notes also I've sent. No, just now I've sent notes also. So you keep ready. And for memory also we have a notes, that also I will send you. Okay. So for memory also we have a notes. So that also I will send you. Okay. So if possible, uh, cover as many questions as possible. Okay, now. So that's the thing. Then anything you want to discuss, you can discuss now with me. So start writing assignments, and anywhere you felt any mistakes or any doubts you have regarding any question, you can ask us. Okay. So then come to the, see, these are all problems, full problems here. This is restoring method. Same only. See, many questions are, this is not restoring. Very simple questions actually. So here also Booth algorithm. See, these are all given in the binary only. So here not in binary. Same, no much difficult and uh, okay, very simple to write assignment. Okay, so start writing, do the problems first, then go to write the uh, theoretical questions. Okay, now that's one way of writing. You can complete it faster. Okay, so then do the problems and keep your answers. See, even if it is wrong in your assignment, you write it first. Okay, then if you get any correct answer, okay, if I'm wrong, if somebody has given no, this is wrong answer, if you got correct answer means, so write it there only. First of all, while you are writing the problem, you directly write it in the assignment book only. Do it in the same assignment book. Okay, so if there is any wrong means, you just caught it and write it in the next there only. Okay, so don't repeat the same thing again and again. So do the problems directly in the assignment papers. Okay, now, so that your time will be reduced so much. Okay, that's one thing I could tell. And here carry save addition, one thing I want to revise. So let us take that carry save addition. So anything which has been left in the module, I just want to take down that any questions has been modified, any questions which has left not discussed like that. Okay, so let me take, yeah. So you'll get some idea. That's why I have taken this. Okay, you'll get some idea. That's why. So I'll go to carry save addition directly. See, this is carry save addition. I told in the previous class, right? So what is the carry save addition? This is a carry save addition. So what's a carry save addition? So that is nothing but, so I'll take two numbers. I'll take simple two numbers and I will do it first. Okay. So here I'll take 45 and 63. I want to multiply. Okay. So I'm not using any, booth algorithm or bit pair recoding. No, I'm not taking anything. Okay. Just I've taken a normal multiplication method. What's a normal multiplication method? So take the multiplicand and take the multiplier and just go on multiply bit by bit multiplication. Okay. So just see here. This is my multiplier. So this is the multiplier. This is multiplier. Okay, this is multiplicand. 45 is multiplicand. So carry save addition means what? What I will do? So this is what my first multiplier bit. Now I'll multiply 1 into above. What is above? Same, right? So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so I got first partial output. So I'll call it as A. Next, I take second bit of the multiplier, 1 into above, 1 into multiplicand, 1 into multiplicand. So 1 into multiplicand will be the same thing. Okay, just leave one space here, then write 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, I think you are able to see clearly, right? Is it clear to you? Okay, so I got this second partial output. So this is B. I'll call it as B. Next, third multiplier 1 into, okay, so 1 into multiplicand, 1 into multiplicand, that means 1 into 45 is 45. That is why, so I've written, see, leftmost bit, just shift by one bit, no, just move one bit towards left, then you write it. Okay, 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, these three partial, so this is 3, A, B, C will be one partial, I'll group it as partial product. Okay, these three I'll take it as one group. Okay, these three I'll take it as one group, A, B, C. Again, for this one bit, I'll multiply with the above multiplicand. That means 1 into 1 0 1 1 0 1. Next one multiplicand, next one multiplicand. So I multiplied so that I got another three partial outputs, D, E, F. Okay, so you can call it as, ma'am, why I should write ABC, ma'am? I will write PP1, partial product 1, partial product 2, partial product 3. I'll take partial product 4. I'll take like this, ma'am. Yes, you can take. It's not mandatory that you should take only in that way. You can take in this way also. Okay, ABCD also you give, or PP1, PP2, PP3, like that also you can give. Now in carry save addition, what I will do, I'll take these three partial products, 3 3. Okay, you should group it as 3 3 products. Okay, that means what, maximum 3 products only you can take and add. Okay, you take these three and add it. Okay, next, and adding these three, what you will get? What you'll get? I'll just add it now. Let me add it. Hmm. Okay, now, okay, sorry for the interrupt. So I think ABC, I will add these three first. Okay, I'll add. Okay, I'll just give you the answer here, solution. Let me add it. So what I'll get now? What I'll get now? 1 plus 1. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just erase all. Okay, now, so you won't get any confusion now. I'll just put a line here and I'll add it. What I'll get now? 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 means 1 0. So 0 I'll keep it here, 1 I'll keep it here. Okay, now, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 3 means what? 1 1. So this one I'll keep it here, this one I'll keep it here. Okay, now 1 plus 1 again 3. 3 is nothing but 1 I'll keep it here, 1 I'll take it as carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 1 I'll keep it here, 1 I'll take it as carry. Next 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means what? 1 0. So this 0 I'll keep it here and 1 I'll be keep it as carry. So 1 plus 1 2 again. So 0 1 carry. So this is what. So what answer I got now? So on adding A plus B plus C, I got a sum. What sum it is? I'll call it as sum 1. Isn't it? What is my sum 1? 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? This is correct, no? Yes, my answer is correct, right? Normal, how to do the addition. That is what? Normal addition method. But there is a little bit change in carry save addition. Hope you are clear, right? So, this is normal addition, but this is not carry save addition. In carry save addition, what I will do, I never add my carry. Okay, what I will do, even I'll keep carry as another value. Okay, so whatever I have done with this normal addition method is wrong. This is not carry save addition. That is why what I will do, I'll change it. Okay, what I will change, just see here. I'll erase all. This is normal addition method, right? So just I'll erase all. This is not carry save addition. What is my carry save addition? You have to carry. You have to keep the carry. Okay, save the carry. How to save the carry? I will save it now. Just see here. 1 is what? 1. Do I get any carry? No. Put it as 0. Yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll write it here somewhere else. Okay. 1, same value I'm write it here. 1 1 0 1. This one. So this one is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Again 1 0 1 1 0 1. Isn't it? This is what. See how to do the carry save addition. Normal addition is different. Now carry save addition I'm doing. See here. 1 is a sum value. 1 plus, I don't have anything here. So 1 I'll keep it. What is my carry? Carry is 0. Carry you have to forward to its left side, right? That's why I kept the 0 here. 0 plus 1 is what? 0 plus 1 is 1. Do you get any carry? No. Put 0 here. 1 plus 0 plus 1. What is 1 plus 0 plus 1? 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 0 I'll keep it here. What is my carry? Carry I'll keep it here. Next, 1 plus 1 is what? 2 again. 2 means what? 1 0. 1 0 means 0 I'll keep it here. Carry I'll keep it aside. Next, 1 plus 1 is 0. So carry I'll keep it aside. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means 0. Carry I'll keep it aside. 1 plus 0 is 1. No carry. So 0. So 1, I don't have anything to add. So just 1. Hope you are clear. Are you clear? Okay. So here what I should do, this will, okay, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is yeah. So see here 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. So this is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. I don't have any carry. So I'll put the 0 here. So here also I don't have any carry. I'll put 0 here. 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so one more time, I'll just add it. If you want, just see to it. So 1 plus, I don't have any value to add. So 1 plus anything is 1. So 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So see here, 1 plus something in empty data here, so 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 carries 0. Okay. If 0 plus 1 is 1, carries 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means 0 is a sum value. Carry, I'll keep it here. 1. Next 1 plus 1 is 0, I'll keep it here. Then carry will be 1. Again 1 plus 1, 0. Carry will be 1. Okay. Next 1 plus 1, 0. Carry will be 1. Next 1 plus 0 is what? 1. So I don't have any carry, so put it 0 here. So only 1, 1 plus, I don't have any other value. So 1 will be the value, so 0. So this is what my sum value. So I'll keep it as sum 1 and carry. I got carry, that is carry 1. Okay. So this is what I have done an addition for 3 partial products. So I got a result S1, C1. Okay. So I have done A, B, C. I've done A, B, C. What I've done? A plus B plus C. What I got? I got the result. What I got? I got the result as carry 1, sum 1 and carry 1. Now I will do the addition of, this is DEF. Now add D plus E plus F. What is D plus E plus? Okay, I'll just add it now. What is D plus E plus F? This value. Just add it. If you add this value, okay, 1 plus 0, so same value. Whatever you will add, you will get the same result. Okay, even if you want, you just add it now. Okay, so I'll get the result. So what result I will get? I will get the result as, what result I'll get? I'll get the result, the same result I will get. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now hope you are able to see 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros, 1, 1. That is my, again, another sum, that is sum 2. Okay, hope you are clear. Okay, again my carry 2. Carry 2 is also same value I'll get. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, whatever I have written, the same thing I'll give you here as sum 2 and carry 2. Are you agree? Okay, so the same thing written in the diagram. See here. See, sum 1 carry 1, this is sum 1 carry 1, and this is sum 2 carry 2. So sum 2 carry 2. Okay, the same thing. DEF on adding, we will get sum 2 carry 2. ABC on adding sum 1 carry 1. Okay, now hope you are clear. Now what I should do? I told you already, minimum you can take at most. Okay, so the additions you can take will be only uh, 3 binary values. Okay, you can't add 4 binary values at a time. So what I will do, now I want to add this values. What value? S1 plus C1 plus S2 plus C3. But as I told you, you have to add at a time only 3 binary values. So what I will do, shall I add S1 plus C1 plus S2? Are you agree? Is it okay? Now I'll add. Okay, now I'll add. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay, now I'll just add now these 3 values. S1 plus C1 plus S2. I'll add 3 values. These 3 values I'll add. What value I'll get now? Obviously I will get S3 and C3 I will get. S3, C3 I will be getting. Now this C2, whichever is left, no? So I have taken S1, C1 and S2 I've added. So this C2 which has been left, so that C2 I will take it here. Then I will add totally S3, C3 and C2. Finally I will get final result S4 and C4. Are you clear? Are you clear now? Are you clear? So now I got S2, C2. Okay, S1, C1. Now I will add S1, C1 and S2. So these three values I will add. Which three values? S1, C1 and S2. I'll add it now. Okay, and adding what I will get? 100% I will get a new value. What is that? S3 and C3. Okay, see C2 I'll just leave it as it is. Then finally whenever I'll get S3, C3, along with that I'll take C2, I'll add it. Okay now. So on adding I will get a result. See here. Hope you are able to see. See here. I think you are able to see. S1, C1 and S2 and adding we get S3 and C3. Okay now. Or even they have taken carry also. Okay. Okay, let me do it. Okay. Now I got S1, C1, S2, C2. Now I'll add it here. Left side, I'll just add it. Erase. Okay, so this thing I'll just erase. You have to write it in a book. So please write it in one book. Then it's quite simple for you to understand. Yeah. Hope everything is clear. Okay. Okay, it's erased completely. Okay, pa. I'll take now. I'll take the values now. S1, what is my S1? See, I'm writing S1 here. S1 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus C1. What is C1? See here, you have to write the 0 from here. Okay, not from here. See here, 1 bit towards left side. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Plus S2. See the S2. See S2, S2 will start. S2 will be added from, see here. If you take your S2, whenever I am adding, see 1 plus, so I'll get here, right? So how many bits you have to leave now? After 3 bits, fourth bit you have to start your resultant, right? So your resultant, whenever you are adding your uh, D plus E plus F, okay, your result S2 will be starting from which bit? See here, from here. That means what? How many bits you have to leave? Towards left side, 3 bits. So fourth bit, that means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth bit, you have to write your answer from here. Okay, so what's your S2? 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so after this, you have to take your carry to. What is carry to? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 0, 0. Okay, okay, 4 ones, then 0, 0, 0. So one more 0 is here. Okay, then add it. Then you have to add. Okay, you can add S1, C1 and S2 and C2. So right now what I will do, I never add this C2 because the maximum number I can take is only three additions, three binary number addition. So I don't take C2. Okay, I'll keep it aside now. Okay, C2 I'll keep it here. I don't add it. Okay, so C2 just keep it as it is. So C2 I'll write it here and just I'll add it later. Okay, I'll just keep it aside. So I'll just erase that. So why I don't want C2? That's why I've erased it. C2 just erase it. Later on you just add it. Okay. Then you just add it. So add all these values. On adding, you will get 1 plus C. 1 carry is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, carry is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, that means 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so 1 is 1, carry 0. Here also 1, carry 0. So this is what you got the new result, that is S3 and C3. Now for this S3 and C3, you had your carry 2, which are not yet added, no, that you have to add. So and adding that one, we will get the final result, that is S4 and C4. Okay, I'll go to that final slide and I'll show you. So this is what. This is how you have to add. Okay, see S3, C3 and C2. I'll take S3, C3 and C2. So finally I'll add it. So on adding, what result I'll get? I'll get complete data. Again I'll get S4 and C4. S4 and C4. S4 I'll get here, then C4 I'll get here. Then after this, you have to add S4 plus C4. That is what your final product. Okay, so that final product. So what's the product? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Understood? Huh? You understood this? Understood or not understood? Huh? If you're not understood, tell me yes, ma'am, not understood. No? Yes or no? Something you have to reply. This is one of your assignment question. You have to explain this with this example. You have to explain carry save summand, carry save addition. You have to explain with this diagram only. I will do one thing. Instead of giving the numbers, I will do one thing. That's better. I'll do one thing. I will give you the questions to you only. That is better. Okay, I'll add some new slide. Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, pa. So now I will give you the bits. Some bits I'll give you. Okay, you have to do along with me. Okay. Mm, okay. See here, my multiplicand. I'm writing multiplicand. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Multiplier. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is multiplicand. This is multiplier. Now, can you give me S1 and C1? You have to do it now. 6 bits of multiplier, 6 bits of multiplicand. Can you give me S1 and C1? Sum 1 and carry 1. Sum 1, S1 and carry 1. I want everyone should give me the answer. I want each and every student should put the answer in the chat box. Take your multiplicand. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Multiplier is what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Carry 1 is 1. Okay, let me check how many of you will give the answer. First, S1 to C1. Okay. Okay, next, after S1, C1, S2, C2. I'll go to chat box. I'll just see how many of you have answered. Apurva GS. Okay. Okay, Apurva. So now now calculate S2 and C2. Now everyone calculate S2, C2. Only Deepa, Kavya, Apurva, Ankita. See, I want every student should give the answer to me. Not like this. Okay, Chetana has given. Okay, remaining all. Everyone should give the answer. I don't consider your attendance. If you're not given the answer, I won't consider the attendance. What's the use of doing the class? Do it fast. I don't call your name only. You have to give the number. First. You will get totally 6 partial products, right? ಇದು S1 S2 ನ S1 S2 ಬರಲ್ಲ S2 C2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ S2 C2 S2 C2 ಬಂತ S1 C1 S2 C2 you got. After S1, now my question to you S1 S2 sorry S1 C1 S2 C2. Now what and all you'll add now? What we will add now? S1, C1, S2, C2. You will get 4 binary values. Now what you will add now? Next time what's your addition will be? Something like this, right? See here? Next ಯಾವ್ದು add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, S2, C2. Everyone is giving the answer. So you will get the partial products S1, C1, S2, C2. Alva. Next, what you will add? S1, C1, S2. Very good. Hemant Reddy has given the answer. That means these 3 I will add. What is my result? On adding S1, C1, S2. What's my result? Can you tell me? S1, C1, S2. And adding S1, S3, C3. Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf is correct. Okay, what I'll get? I will get result here. What result? S3, C3 I will get. Now tell me, S3, C3, along with that, what I should add? Which term is left, which has not yet been? Yes, S3, C3 plus C2. Very good. This one I'll add. Okay, now. So I'm adding this 3. What result I'll get? Can somebody tell me? What is the result I will get? S4, C4. Very good. Yeah, superb. Yeah, this is S3, C3, C2. Okay, I'm adding. But you should remember, okay, at what bit position you have to write your S3, at what bit position you have to write C3, everything you should know. Okay, you can't take from the same bit position, isn't it? You have to see to it. At what bit position I should start my binary values. Okay. Anyway, while I'm doing the calculation, I'll tell you. Now, on adding these 3, what's my final result? My result is S4, C4. Is this final result? No. After S4, C4, what I should do? S4, C4. Exactly, Chandrakant. Very good. Now you have to add S4 and C4. That will give you the final product. Okay. Now add S4 and C4. These 2 I'll add. Okay. So S4 plus C4. On adding, what I will get? So on I'll get the product. Final product. I think now everybody understood. Clear? S1, C1, S2 you will get. Add 3, you will get S3, C3. Now along with S3, C3, add C2. Huh? Just a second, I'll come. Okay, sorry, I had a meeting actually. So please, you calculate. I'll just 5 more minutes. I'll take, and I will come back to the class. 1 minute. Okay. Uh, okay, guys. I think, sorry for the interrupt. I had a meeting with HOD ma'am. That is why I'm not there in the class for few minutes. Okay. So I think I have to do addition now. Yeah. So carry save addition. So I want to multiply this. So I'll just multiply it right now. Okay. So see here. See the location of the bits also. Okay. This is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. After this, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, 1, 1. See, this is wrong. See, this should be, uh, this should not be filled, right? So I'm wrong here. So I'll just erase it. That's why you should be very conscious. Okay. While adding, you should be very conscious. So next, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So if you want, I'll add it here only. This is what finally I'll get C3, sorry, C2 and S2. I'll get S2 and C2, right? After that, I'll write it here. I'll give space for you if you want. Otherwise, I'll continue the product. So third, this product, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So you'll get a solution, right? So add these three products, and these three products you should add. Okay, what's your result? What you will get, that you have to note down. Okay, so I think you are able to see this. So can you give me the answer of S2C2? Somebody? S2C2? Type for me the answer. S2C2. I think S2C2 is 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, then 1, 0, this is 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, this is 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 0. So I think we should get, see here, if you want I'll just write it here. S2 will be as per my knowledge, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Carry will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Is this correct? S2, C2 correct? Am I correct? This is correct. Okay. Next S3, right? I want to add, after I got S3, C3, I should add S2. So S2, see here, S2 will be start from fourth bit. On adding, you'll get fourth bit addition, right? Fourth bit after 4 bits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a location. So S2 will be 1, 0. Sorry, S2 will be 0. So I'm adding S2 with S1 and C1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So on adding this, you will get S3, C3. I'll give you the result of S3, C3 now. What is S3, C3? 1, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 1, carry 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so carry 1. So 1 here, carry 0, 0 here, and here also 0. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 1, this is 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, this is 1, carry 0. So this is your S3C3. Is S3C3 correct? S3C3 correct? Is it correct? S3C3 correct? Am I wrong? Or it's correct? S3, C3. Once check the carry part. Okay. So 1 carry 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, carry 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 is here, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 0. Then 0, 0, 0 will be 0, carry will be 0. 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. Okay. Okay, next. So 0 plus 0 is 0, carry will be 0, sorry. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, carry will be 0. So 1, 0. Is it correct now? Is this correct now? Yes, correct. Yes, Aditya. I was taking a wrong carry actually. Okay. Now for these two values, okay, for S3, C3, I should add my C2 value. Okay, see here, S3, C3, I have to take C2 value and add. On adding S3, C3 and C2, I will get S4 and C4. Okay, then those two I have to add so that I'll get the product. Okay, can anyone give me the final product is what? So I have given enough time to you. So can you give me what is the final product you got? Final product, final product. Aditya has given one answer. Any others? Any other answers? Same as Aditya? You give your answers. If it is wrong also nothing to worry. I don't tell which is wrong, which is incorrect. No, I don't tell you. But give me the answers. Let me see. Please give me the answers. See, one thing is very important. While you are adding, okay, that bits know where to put the values in the position. Which position I have to put the value. That is very important. So, for example, here only. See, bit position is important. Suppose here, yeah, this is no bit positions. Here, positions will be important. Ma'am, when you add S1, C1 and S2, should start from yeah, fourth bit. Yes, it is fourth bit. Exactly. Exactly. See here, S1, C1 is here. Okay. This is S2, C2. S2, C2. You took it from third bit. Third bit position I have taken. Huh? No, pa, fourth bit. S2, C2. Yeah, fourth bit. I would take from fourth bit. Yes, I'm wrong. Yes, I'm wrong. Correct. 100%. You should start from fourth bit. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm wrong. Fourth bit. Here only you see, if you want, I'll give you the hint. This is, on adding these two, what's the result? Result will be here. Okay, first bit. S2 will be first bit position. But what is your S3? S3 will be on adding, you will get the result from fourth bit. See, fourth location. So I should add my S2 from fourth bit. If I am taking from third bit, it was wrong. Yes, you're correct. Superb. Yeah. Okay, then give me the final solution. Give me the final solution. Let me check it out. How many of you have given the final solution? Deepa has given us no final product. On adding 4C4, you give me. Apurva has given one answer. Okay. Yeah, Aditya, I'm wrong. I know I'm wrong. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, Apurva has given one answer. Same to Chetana. Even Chetana has given the same solution. Aditya also same solution. Okay. And then I'm wrong, right? I have done mistake. Okay, remaining all. So totally, how many bits you should get totally? Suppose you see this product, how many bits you should get? 2 into n bit, right? 2 into n. 2 into n means what? So 6 bit product, 6 bit multiplier, 6 bit multiplicand, isn't it? So 12 bit you should get. So here you have 12 bits, right? 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 ಬರ್ತದಾ? This is 13 bit. 13 bit you will get. Okay, okay. Because we have to take the carry also, no? Carry we have added, right? One time we have added carry bit, right? That is why we will get one additional bit. Okay, see here how many bits they have taken. Let me check it out with this. Yeah. So here it is 6 bits. Final result will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bits ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bits ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll note down this value. No, anyway, it's there with me. I will add it. Okay, separately I will add it. I will keep it in one paper. I will take the problem and solve it. Okay, clear. I will solve it, and I will note down your answers also. What's your answers? Whatever the answer you have given, no, the same answer also I will copy it. Okay, so I'll copy both the answers and question also. So what's your result? You got 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. I'll note on the values also. Okay, and my question also, I'll take down a question. So what question I've given to you, the same question I will take. That is, and I will do it. If I'm wrong, then see 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and Q will be what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay. I will add it in the next class. I will give you the answer. Okay. Then attendance. Asta. Asta. Asta is there? Okay, she's absent. Yusuf?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhijit Kumar? Abhijit is absent. Abhijit is present. Okay. Okay. Yes, number 3 present. Yes, number 4? Okay, 1 is also present. Okay, 4. Okay, be fast. 4, 5. 10, 1 to 10. Please message me. 4 is absent. 6, 4, 5. 4 is absent. 5 is absent. 6 is present. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am, 05 present.
Okay, okay, 5 present. 7, 8. 8 and 9.
9 present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 10, 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. Okay. Okay, 17, 18. 17. Shivani. 17, no reply. Okay. Next, 21 to 30. 30, till 30. First. We have again by 1 o'clock meeting. Okay, that is why. 25. Okay, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 30. I didn't get any reply.